Kublai piki perlok perjor baro akan ke video ngadonnya ke mana-mana ya ke cimputip sipi ba ke Government of Meghalaya Office of the District Medical and Health Officer Ribohoi District Nongpo ke lap penepana ya ke result na kapenta ke interview jong ke post contractual basis hapo ke office DMHO Ribohoi na kapenta ke post jong ke storekeeper, medical record assistant, lab assistant, OT assistant, X-ray attendant, dresser, ambulance driver, plumber, and electrician. Tema tatong inapay jaki candidate kibala sa select na kamta kita ki post. Sila number 1. Selected candidate for the post of storekeeper. Name selected candidate kanlong Rida Paka Nongplang. Kita laingut kibiting list. Banri nalama Majhong, Evijon Pathau, Feni Els Imle. Nota kabar selected candidate for the post of medical record assistant along name of the selected candidate ki job lang kapu. Nota laingut ki waiting list akbede buat ketika post. Nota selected candidate for the post of lab assistant. Name of selected candidate Banisha Kalwing. Laingut ki waiting list akbede buat ketika post. Nota selected candidate for the post of OT assistant. Name of selected candidate Skemroy Norum. But argut ki waiting list akbede buat ketika post. Nota selected candidate for the post of dresser. Name of selected candidate Junisha Nongplang. But laingut ki waiting list akbede buat ketika post. Selected candidate for the post of X-ray attendant. Name of selected candidate Lisa F. Soklet. But laingut ki waiting list. Nota selected candidate for the post of electrician. Name of selected candidate Free Daystar Teron. But laingut ki waiting list. Nota selected candidate for the post of plumber. Name of selected candidate M. Salon Lapang. But laingut ki waiting list. Nota selected candidate for the post of driver. Name of selected candidate Penilenti Marsing. But laingut ki waiting list. Kita kerteng jong ki candidate ki berlapas ya ke interview hak pede buat ketika post contractual basis ke bahan reu penai ke balapan mi ka sipo trik penai bukan ar jara fusan ya ke notification tena ka benta ke jing tiba company bila ban lej sak official website jong ka Ribohoi district ya tangkum ta perlok ngin sia syam akan next video ko play sibun.